Hello, my name is Douglas. Appreciate you checking out my video. Kind of show you where we're at of dropping this thing and putting a new clutch in it. A simple thing as a clutch. Oh my God. So we have actually managed to get the transmission out. Check out the other videos, and yeah, it's been fun. So let me show you this massive transmission, because I don't think there's too many videos that have, you know, because that's only part of it. This thing goes all the way back here. Ain't that like humongous? So a lot of them just have the front, which is but this is a four-wheel drive. We're gonna do more. I think we can actually unbolt this thing right about here, and when we get to that part of stabbing it, gotta look at little things like right down in here. This part right here is called a throwout bearing. The kit comes with one, and I'll show you what the kit looks like. Get a throwout bearing. You get another little bushing right here, which this is your aligning key to align the disc. And yeah, fair warning, this thing's heavy. This is what is our next step. So I guess this is from a transmission drop, what we're going to call this clutch assembly. So we're going to come under here, show you what you're looking at on a four-wheel drive. So crawl under here. Yeah. Hey, we got all kinds of room in here now. Look at that. Alright, so we get up here, and that's what you're looking at. That is the clutch. But before you do all this crap, hell, take it to the damn mechanic that knows what they're doing. I've stabbed about 2 transmissions, and that's what they call about stabbing. You got to line this up with that one tool, then you got to stab the front of that transmission right there. Yeah, let's see if we can't get a picture up inside this thing. And if you look in there, you'll see that bearing. And I looked up in there and it was like worn out, and I'm still trying to figure out how we're going to get that thing out of there. So I do believe that he's already got this loosened up, so let's go ahead and pull them rest of them bolts and see what is underneath this thing. And that should just fall off, so be ready for it. Like I said, it is heavy. And you got that clutch plate in there too. And it didn't move.
Did I miss a bolt? No. No, I got all of them.
Are you sure? Well, that makes it interesting. I'm going to see this thing fly off at us.
There it goes.
And it's doing something.
I think it's got little lineup things on it.
Got titties on it.
Yeah, them things.
That's something to look at. This truck has like almost 400,000 miles on it, and this has never been done before. So I think we're doing pretty good. Yeah, we got this far. It does have like little... Yep, something happening. Here we go. And we got to look at that flywheel so flat. Hopefully I don't have to machine that thing. It probably wouldn't hurt.
It's got titties on it.
Got titties on it?
Yep.
Looking at that right there, I can already tell that might probably most likely need to be rechined. Machined, yeah. Either that or I'm going to have to buy another one. Anywhere from $75 to $100 on eBay. Of course, you go to the parts store, probably cost you $300. So we've gotten this far. What's that clutch plate looks like? Yeah. Oh hell yeah! That's what do you think of that crap?
It's pretty worn out.
That's pretty worn out.
Yep.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty worn.
Well, meet me over at the table, and
alright,
we'll compare these two together. There we go. Get up and walk around again. Ooh, headrush. Alrighty then. So yeah, it was a good thing that we surprisingly this thing's pretty damn thin. Got your instructions there. Did you read them all? You know, look at all that there. Yeah, I like that. Don't hang the results on us. Yeah. Right, wrong. Yeah, there you go. And where was that one where it was like the whole damn transmission? Yeah, you gotta line up the whole thing. Yeah, okay. Can you go ahead and open that for me?
Yeah. There's your old one.
Oh my God, look at that thing. I mean, yeah, this thing was just about at it. Oh, I think it was about time for this. Compared to...
There's your new one.
Yeah, it kind of looks dark.
Looking at the... Look at the thickness difference.
Yeah, there is a pretty good size. It's amazing how thin them things are.
Yeah. It's probably just a stage 1, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is no competition, blah, blah, blah. This is just stock standard.
Yep.
And I think it was time.
Definitely looks like it to me.
Yeah. Plus, as you can see, that other one's just rusted. And got all new stuff here. All right. One thing that can save you a lot of heartache. Let me crawl back under here. Before you attempt to do all this, I'd be as easy. Here. Replace this little doohickey right here. It's that simple. Just you know, that way you ain't end up dropping all this and having all kinds of fun. Of course, this is a secondary, so it's a vehicle. Yeah, I'm not really liking that, so I'll probably have to have that machined. Maybe, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yeah, but let's see that bearing in there. Yeah, that bearing, looks pretty worn out, huh? So the next part is to get to that bearing, you got to take them bolts off. Then you from there. All right. Well, that's a good thing that we got the transmission out of this thing, and this is about where we're at. So as soon as we kind of figure it out from there, we'll kind of shoot another video to see where we're at and go from there. Appreciate you checking us out. Please subscribe.